What we were able to find is that, yes, it seems that longevity runs in families. The offspring of the nonagenarian siblings, for example, when compared to their husbands and wives living together with them, they had a much lower glucose level, and they had a better glucose regulatory system, which means that we know that if the glucose level is a little bit lower, you have less chance of having diabetes, etc. But also other hormones like the thyroid hormone, they were differently regulated. And we were already at the age of these offspring, at the age of round about 60, able to see that they has less age-related diseases compared to their partners, which already then says, yes, it's proven that there is something running in the families. These individuals were included in genetic analysis because in the end, it might be the genes being very important for longevity, where the field thinks like around about 20% of longevity is based on genetic makeup. We were able to find some genes like the ApoE gene, where these are associated with longevity, but we were able to find genes which are associated with diseases, which were absent in the individuals out of the long living families. And very nicely, we were also able to show that some genes were more highly expressed compared to others. So in one of the gene families in the mTOR pathway, for example, where we absolutely saw that in the long-living families, these genes were differently regulated. And mTOR is very important for how proteins are being made and for lots of cellular signals. And the mTOR pathway is associated with the occurrence of disease, but also aging. So while having this very nice study design, we were really able to dig a little bit deeper in the biology and show that offspring of nonagenarian siblings are quite different compared to their partners. And